Hello friends, so in this video I'm going to show you uh, creation of database with little more details. Like I will show you how to create databases in Hive with little more details, like adding comments and adding some database properties. So let us start. We will first list out to see what are the databases that are available in our Hive. So databases. So you can see this much databases are available. 3 databases are available. So let's create a database. Create database, and let's name it data db3, and I'm going to add a comment for it. Comment: this is database 3. Give us give a semicolon, press enter. See, it's done. Now to see whether it has been created or not, we will do the command show databases, give semicolon, press enter. So you can see db3 is available there. But you might be thinking, where is the use of the comment, where I can see that? To see that thing, we will use command describe space database space okay, just see this: describe database space database name. So what was the name of the database? db underscore 3. See, it's here. Name of the database, the comment that we have mentioned here, this is database 3, the comment it's here, and its location on the Hadoop cluster. It's located at the user hive warehouse db3.db, and these things are just like what are the user and all. And there is one more command. If you want to see little more information about that thing, then you can use describe database extended db3. See, as you can see, there's nothing much difference. You can see that both are the same, but the thing this different will you will be able to see difference once you are going to add um, other details about this thing. So I will show you at later stage, or maybe when I will be showing you how to create tables, you will be seeing differences what happens when I add extended. The same thing are there. One more command is there: describe database formatted. These things will be doesn't formatted database db3 formatted. I am forgetting spelling. Okay, I will show you this command later. Maybe I'm confusing this one. So yeah, you will see there the name of the database. This is the database 3, the comment that we have put, and this is the location of the database that will be created. See, I will show you this. I will show you where on the Hadoop that database folder is located. Uh, so let me start my Hadoop. So as you can see, this one is showing that this database is available as user hive warehouse. So let's go out. We will go to cd space user space hive. User space spelling is this one, no? I think yeah. Yeah. User hive warehouse. Oh, okay. So if you are aware of Hadoop, So you cannot, if you want to see whatever data is present in Hadoop, you have to use hdfs or Hadoop command. So hdfs space dfs space ls command is similar to the ls command in Unix system. So ls will list out all the direct files or directories present in this location, user hive warehouse. So we will press enter. It will take some time. See, these things are present here, db3.db. So as you can verify from here, our database that was located at user hive database.3, you can see it's available here, user hive database db.3. Let's move inside the database, and you won't be able to see anything there because we have not added anything there. So there is no data tables added in that one, so it will be blank, nothing will be there as far as I can tell you. Yeah, see, nothing is there. Okay, let's go. So this one was first thing, you added a comment. Let's now I want to create a database that has I want to create a database with a comment and a location of our choice, not the location that is being given by Hive, but that location I will choose at what location I want to create it. So I will create database space the name of the database. I am giving it db4. Comment I will give, it's not necessary. If you want to add comment, you can add comment. This is database 4, press enter. Location, so I'm going to give a location that will be present at root of the Hadoop cluster, root of the Hadoop, and a folder will be there. I will name it db4. This one will be the folder name, and give a semicolon, press enter. So it's showing okay. Now I will show databases that are available at this Hive. So we will show databases, press enter. So you can see db4 is available here, but now check it. So see the location. So how you will be able to see, describe database db4, give semicolon, press enter. See, db4, this is data, this is the comment that we have put there, and it's showing it is located at root and db4. So this one is the location. Now let's verify. Let's go to the folder. Yeah, let's see at this place whether that database is created here or not. So you won't be able to see it because this one is not created here, because we have given a location of our choice. So let's go to this place. Whatever it's showing at the root is created. So I will just do it Hadoop or hdfs dfs ls at the root location, cause the folder is created at the root location. So that folder is visible here. See, db4 is there, but now let's check if that database 4 db4 is created at this folder or not. Okay, so this one is the only location of that thing. Sorry, hdfs dfs and ls. See, I will show you, don't worry about that. I will tell you. See what is happening when you are putting describe database db3. So this one is the location of the database, and when you put your location of your choice, so this one picks it as it is. It doesn't create another folder inside it like it has been created here. So it will, whatever tables you are making, it will be in db_4 only. So this one is our location. Now let's see one more thing. Let's add some properties to this one. So adding properties, though this one is not so tough, we will make it create database, database of our choice. Database name I am giving db5, and I'm not doing that thing again, comment and location. You can understand that, you can give it by yourself, you know it. I'm just doing with db properties. It is just add some properties like with database properties, db properties, and you can mention like created by is equal to anything, like maybe one of your name will be Amit, and you may would like to add created date, on what date it's created on is equal to anything, add like today is 20 September 2018. So I'm adding it 20 September 2018. And that's all. You can add many details if you want, but this one is okay, and give a semicolon, press enter. It's created. Now check whether it has been created or not. So databases, and you can see db5. Now let's check. Describe. See, you can write the full thing describe or short form disc, DESC, describe. This will also work. Describe database space the name of the database db_5. That's enough. Print enter. See, now I will show you where does that extended part come. See, when you did describe database db5, it's what is saying, name of the database, location of the database. See, by default the databases are created under the location of user hive warehouse. Until unless you don't assign a location of your choice, it will be created under this location only. Okay, now if you must be thinking where this with properties create are described are shown. So for that we have to use describe database extended. Oops, sorry, I did something mistake. So the syntax is wrong. Syntax should be describe database describe database space extended space the name of the database, that is describe database extended space db5. And you will see when you didn't put extended here, you were not able to see these things. See, we were added created on, this thing is described created on and created by Amit. See, these things are without, if you didn't mention described extended here, these things were not able to see. So by using this you can do that. I will show you one more command, how to alter the databases, how to alter anything that you have already done that. So I will show you about that. Let's start. That is altering the database. So one more thing, you can give a comment like this. This will take the input as a comment. So let's for altering, there is a command, there is a keyword called alter space the database space the name of the database that you want to alter. I want to alter database 5 only. Okay, let's database 5. I'm altering db5, and what did I want to change? I want to change set db properties. I want to check db properties, so I will use set db properties, and maybe I want to add one more column like department. one more information, department. So it will give CSE. Let's give CSE, computer science engineering department is there. That's all. And give a semicolon, press enter. So it's done. Now previously when you did not alter the database 5, it has two properties. Now check it, what are the available properties. So you can go to the previous execute command using down or up arrow. Up arrow will give you recent active, so you can switch between them using your up arrow and down arrow keys. So I will execute this command, describe database extended database. Now you can see department command is also, department property is also added here. So using this you can edit your database. And one more thing is there. Uh, so what to do if you are not sure of, suppose that they are, so here right now you can see, I will show you. So databases, so you can see here only six commands, sorry, six databases available there. So you can go through all of this, and if you want to, and you can think of that whichever you want to like to use that. Right now if you want to use db3, so you can go and use that by searching it. But suppose there are thousands of databases and you are not sure of what is the name of the databases, so how to find that? So there are something like, there is a command named like. It is command that is named like command. So I will use so databases like. So it is showing databases like, and I will give you something that, suppose I want to know database that has contains five as a part. So I will use okay, no, so I want to know all the name of the databases that start with db. Okay, so I will use db and star. So it will search for all the databases that start with db and end with anything. So it lists out db5, db4, db3. Okay, so that's all folks. I know this video was long for you, but this thing is very important, you should keep in mind. In this video lecture we learned how to add comment to a database, how to give location of our choice to the database, how to add properties, and how to alter a database. So yeah, that's all. Kindly like the video, subscribe it, and drop a comment if you want. Thank you.